We could funny rip Diego Armando Maradona flipping the bird middle finger shirt, confiscate 100% of the existing wealth of 100% of the billionaires, and it would pay to run our government for a couple of months. Again, there's just not that much money there. It's insane money for a person but trivial money for a government. Yes, it's not sustainable to fund the country. Nor should it be. Taxing billionaires reduces the more perverse incentives to keep making money. There is a hefty argument for wealth taxes along the lines of Nordic countries like Norway. Funny rip Diego Armando Maradona flipping the bird middle finger shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, sweatshirt, hoodie, V-neck, tank top. The government prints its own money. The point of taxing the rich is to reduce the gap in wealth and power. We have funny rip Diego Armando Maradona flipping the bird middle finger shirts millions of people who can barely put food on the table, if they even own a table, and live in terror of the mountain of debt looming over them. Meanwhile, a few assholes essentially own small countries, e.g. Amazon and Walmart, and control the lives of those who belong to them. Taxes will never. Other product.